Okay, I'm back. So I already finished the 4 parts of the Friends Lego set. I'm going to start my 5th package today. It's a big package now. I really want to finish both 5 and 6 today, so I can, put an end to this whole project. But I really don't know because it usually takes 1 hour to finish one package. We'll just see. And so far we have been making very good progress here. And let's see what's gonna happen with this new package. As usual, I'm just going to tear this up and this of all take those two out. Look at that. We have some big parts today. That's I guess that's a good news because that means it's gonna be easier to actually, do the work. But at the same time, woo! See, we also have like super a lot of tiny parts here. 2 packages of them. So we'll see. It is much more messy than like pack 4 because pack 4 is mainly just like one pile, but now we have like 3 piles here. So in this package we have we actually have Phoebe and Ross here. So as usual, let's try to get our little friends ready first. I already have the okay. Here for a while. We have body here. I think this is Phoebe's hair. See, it's not easy to tell in a way, but yeah, I think the one with wrinkles should be Ross, and the one with the lipstick should be Phoebe. I just guess. Okay, if that's so, I'm just going to. There's Happy Rose and Sad Rose. Let's have a Happy Rose. And start. What is this? Smiling Phoebe here. We have long hair. Cool. Oh, this is Ross gel hair. That's nice work. They both have like dark color legs. Let's see. Let's see this guitar here. Ouch. I mean, when there's more and more like pieces here, it's gonna be much more difficult to find the piece you want. It should also in like brown color. Brown. Brown? Oh, yeah. There it is. This one is Ross. Slag. Oops. I'm standing here. And this one for Phoebe. Okay, and we have Phoebe holding her guitar. Yay. See, they're nice. Okay, as usual, I will have you two little buddy standing here. And now we'll be dive into the main part and continue from page 105. that's it. This is the part 5. And now we have like the most part of the set. We have 3 sides of walls. We have the bar, the coffee maker. We have the red couch here. We have the main window and the main entrance, which is very, very neat. And the main window, you can actually look through here. See, this is very neat. Yeah, and we have a tiny piano, and we have a Phoebe and Ross here. Okay, cool. Now I'm gonna put you guys here with other folks, and I will also take away the little tiny piano for now. And that's a wrap for part 5, and we'll continue with part 6 and also the final part. I guess very soon.